size, measuring only 2.25 inches by 2.25 inches. It comes with two cables, USB to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C. Setup and installation of the Hieha adapter is simple. Just connect the adapter to one of the included cables and connect the USB end to your vehicle's auxiliary USB port. Then wait for the LED to turn green. Next, go to your iPhone settings and pair with Bluetooth. You'll see the device pop up as SmartBox, followed by some numbers. Go ahead and select SmartBox, then select Pair. Then allow contacts and favorites syncing. Your device is now connected. Enjoy Apple Maps wirelessly.
Hey Siri, take me to Las Vegas.
Getting directions to Las Vegas.
Play music wirelessly.
Hey Siri, play Ludovico.
Now playing Experience by Ludovico Einaudi.
Make hands-free calls easily.
Hey Siri, call my husband.
Calling husband. Mobile.
Get a wireless Apple CarPlay adapter.
CarPlay wireless adapter. In the box, there are two cables and the user manual. To set up the wireless adapter, you plug in the USB cable into your car and then wait for the LED light to turn green. After that, you want to go to your iPhone settings and pair it to Bluetooth. The CarPlay adapter will pop up as SmartBox followed by some numbers. Go ahead and select SmartBox and then select Pair. Then you want to sync all your contacts. Your device is now connected. Now you can wirelessly make hands-free calls, use Apple Maps, and play music.